chapter number 12. It is difficult to read, write and compare very small and very large numbers. બહુ નાનો નંબર હોય એની કમ્પેરિઝન કરવી બહુ અઘરી હોય, બહુ મોટો નંબર હોય એ બી મોટા નંબર ટુ big numbers. It is difficult to compare those two big numbers or very small numbers. Okay, so for that standard form is used to represent the big number or a very small number. એટલે જે બહુ મોટો નંબર હોય કે જે બહુ નાનો નંબર હોય એને આપણે પહેલાં સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ફોર્મમાં કન્વર્ટ કરવાનું, પછી એની કમ્પેરિઝન કરવી સહેલી પડે. ઓકે, તો હવે સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ફોર્મમાં કમ્પેર કરવાનું આપણે શીખીએ છીએ. તો ફર્સ્ટ નંબર ઇઝ 1,50,000. ઓકે, આપણે આને સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ફોર્મમાં કન્વર્ટ કરીએ છીએ. સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ફોર્મમાં કન્વર્ટ કરતી વખતે જે સૌ પોઈન્ટ પછી પોઈન્ટની પહેલાં એક જ ડિજિટ આવવો જોઈએ. પોઈન્ટની પહેલાં એક જ ડિજિટ આવવું જોઈએ. તો અહીંયા પહેલો ડિજિટ 1 છે, તો 1 પછી પોઈન્ટ કરી દેવાનો. 1.5 ઇન્ટુ 10 સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ફોર્મની અંદર 10નો પાવર લખવાનો. હવે તમે જુઓ, આ જે છે નંબર એમાં પોઈન્ટ નથી. ધેટ મીન્સ there is no any digit after a decimal point. Here decimal point is not given. That means there is no any digits after a decimal point. Okay, I am correcting 1.5 and 1 2 3 4 times 0. Okay, here there is no digits after a decimal point, but here 1 2 3 4 5 digits after a decimal points. Here how many digits after a decimal points? 0. That means nothing. Here how many digits after a decimal points? 5. From 0 to 5, that means 5 digit increase after a decimal points. That's why we should write 10 raised to 5. But 1.5 and after zeros, that is not important to write. Okay, so we will not write 4 zeros after 5. Okay, so this is your answer. Now in second sum, 0.0025. now this is a very small number. 1,50,000 is a very big number. It is converted in a standard form. Now this very small number is also converted in a standard form. So what I said, what is the rule? From first digit, the digit will be excluding 0. We will not take 0 for the first digit. So here the first digit except 0 is 2. So 2.5. Okay, into 10. Okay, now after decimal point there are 4 digits. After decimal points there are 4 digits, but here after decimal point there is only 1 digit. That means 3 digit is decreased. After decimal points 3 digits are decreased. That means -3 power. Here after decimal point 5 digits are increased. That means 10 raised to 5. Increase means positive power. Decrease, that means negative power. Okay, thus very small numbers 0.0025 is a very small number. Very small numbers can be expressed in standard form using negative exponents. This is a very small number. So very small number is expressed in a standard form using negative exponents. Okay. And this is a very large number. So this large number can be expressed in a standard form with positive exponents. Here 5 is positive, minus 3 is negative. Okay. So very large number is expressed in standard form using positive exponents, and very small number is expressed in standard form with a negative exponents. Standard form is also called scientific notation. Here we convert these two numbers in standard form, as well as we can say it we converted these numbers in a scientific notation. Okay. So in exam teachers can ask question like that, convert in a standard form or convert these two numbers in a scientific notation. Okay. So what is the rules? Shift the decimal point in the given number so that only one non-zero digit should be before the decimal point. કેવી રીતના આપણે એનો રૂલ શું છે? શિફ્ટ ધ ડેસિમલ પોઈન્ટ. તમારે ડેસિમલ પોઈન્ટ જે છે એને શિફ્ટ કરવાનું કઈ ઇન ધ ગિવન નંબર so that only one non-zero digit should be before the decimal point. એટલે ડેસિમલ પોઈન્ટ હોય ને એની પહેલાં એક જ ડિજિટ હોવો જોઈએ, અને એ બી કેવો હોવો જોઈએ? નોન ઝીરો ડિજિટ હોવો જોઈએ. નોન ઝીરો દેટ મીન્સ ઝીરો સિવાયનો ડિજિટ હોવો જોઈએ પોઈન્ટની પહેલાં લેફ્ટ સાઈડ. જો અહીંયા બી એવું છે, પોઈન્ટની પહેલાં નોન ઝીરો ડિજિટ છે. ઓકે. એન્ડ રેસ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ ધ ડિજિટ્સ આફ્ટર ધ ડેસિમલ પોઈન્ટ્સ. એટલે બાકીના બધા જે ડિજિટ્સ છે એ ડેસિમલ પોઈન્ટની પાછળ. જો આ બધા 5 0 અને 000 એ બધા ડેસિમલ પોઈન્ટની પાછળ છે. ઓકે. કાઉન્ટ ધ નંબર ઓફ ડિજિટ્સ ઓવર વિચ ધ ડેસિમલ પોઈન્ટ ઇઝ શિફ્ટેડ. તમે જુઓ અત્યારે અહીંયા પોઈન્ટ પછી એક બી ઝીરો નહોતો, જ્યારે અહીંયા પોઈન્ટ પછી કેટલા ડિજિટ છે? 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 digits after a decimal points. Here there are no digits after a decimal points. So 5 digits are increased. So we write 5 plus 5 power. And here after a decimal points there are 4 digits. Okay. And in here only 1 digit. That means 3 digits reduced. 3 digits reduced after a decimal points. That means 10 raised to minus 3. Okay. Now third 0.123456564. This is a very small number. Now we want to convert this number in a standard form or a scientific notation. So from here 5 is a first non-zero digit. 5 is a first non-zero digit. So before decimal point only one non-zero digit will be written, and 64 is as usual. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That means there are 9 digits after a decimal point. But here there are only 2 digits in a 2 digits after a decimal point. From 9 to 2, 7 digits are decreased after a decimal point. Point પછી 7 digit ઓછા થઈ ગયા ને. That means 10 raised to minus 7 digits are decreased. So power is negative. Okay. So this is a standard form or this is a scientific notation. Now 0.12345221. We want to write this number in a scientific notation. So 2 is the first non-zero digit. So 2.1 multiply 10 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means there are 7 digits after a decimal points. But here there is only 1 digit after a decimal point. That means from 7 to 1, 6 digit is reduced, 6 digits are decreased. That means decreased, that means minus power. So 10 raised to minus 6. Fifth, 2, 1, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. So this 2 is a first non-zero digit. So 2.16 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros into 10 raised to. Here there is no decimal point. That means decimal point is here. That means decimal point is here. That means there is no digit after a decimal point. Decimal point is not given. That means there is no there is no any digit after a decimal points. That means number of digits after a decimal point is 0. Point પછી એક digit નથી, એટલે કે 0 digit. Now here 1, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from 0 to 7, 7 digit increased after a decimal point. So increased, that means positive exponent. Okay. Sixth number 1, 5, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. First non-zero digit is 1. So after 1 we can take point 5, 2, 4 and 4 zeros. Okay, into 10. Here there is no decimal point. That means no digits are given after a decimal points. That means number of digits is 0 after a decimal points. But here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 7 digits are there after a decimal points. That means 7 digit increased. So 10 raised to 7. Okay. Exercise 12.2, question number 2. Express the numbers in usual form. Express the numbers in usual form. That means we will take now reverse procedure. From the standard form we will write this is a usual form and these are standard form. Okay. So first number is 3.02 multiply 10 raised to minus 6. 3.02. So remove the points, remove the decimal points. So there are 2 digits after a decimal points. That means 100 in the denominator. 10 raised to minus 6. Power is minus. Here minus power. That means we should write 1 upon minus power will be converted into a plus. So 1 upon 10 raised to 6. To convert negative exponent in a positive, negative exponent ने positive में convert करવું હોય तो we should take reciprocal of a base. आज 10 છે base છે એનો reciprocal લીધું. Now 302 100 10 raised to 6. That means there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros in the denominator. 10 raised to 6. That means 10 is multiply 6 times. 10 raised to 6. That means 10 multiply 6 times. That means 0 will come 6 times. So now here total 0 is 8. These 6 and 2. 6 plus 2 8. There are total 8 zeros in the denominator. That means there are 8 digits after a decimal points. So 302. These 3 digits written 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 point. 0. So now there are 8 digits after a decimal points. Okay, we should write the given number first and then we have to write zeros before these numbers. Okay, this is a simple way for calculation. Okay, now second is 4.5 into 10 raised to 4. So there is one digit after a point, there is one digit after a decimal point. That means to remove the decimal point we should write 10 because only one digit is given. 10 raised to 4, that means 4 times 0. 0 0 will cut, so 45 and 3 zeros, 45,000. Okay, so this is a usual form. 3 multiply 10 raised to 8. Here there is no decimal points. 10 raised to minus 8, that means 1 upon 10 raised to 8 minus power is converted in a plus. 10 raised to 8 is in the denominator. 10 raised to 8 is in the denominator, that means there are 8 digits after a decimal point. 10 raised to 8 is in the denominator. Denominator, that means there are 8 points after there are 8 digits after a decimal points, but one digit is given. One digit 3 is given. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then point and then 0. Now there are 8 digits after a decimal points.